Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the hybridracing 130R Delrin Shift Knob. So this is the box. I do like the livery design on the box. Probably not going to be throwing this box away. Keep it on the shelf somewhere so I can look at it every now and then because this box does look pretty cool. On the side is pretty much the product info. There is a nice hybrid racing seal on the front, but that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. Let's cut this open and see what comes inside. So I believe this is a hybrid racing decal. Very nice. Up next, you got a thank you card from Hybrid Racing with some info on it. Now for the shifter itself. Right off the bat, it does feel lighter than the OEM shift knob, and actually looks a lot nicer in person. I thought it would be more glossy, but it does have more of a matte finish to it, which I really like. So you have the Hybrid Racing logo printed on this side of the shift knob, and on the other side, you have the 130R. And on the bottom, you have the Hybrid Racing and the thread pitch specs. That's pretty much it. Overall, a very nice, simple teardrop style design. It does feel good in the hands already, and it's not even on the car. So I got the 130R to pair it up with the Hybrid Racing short shifter. Also, I do like how the 130R is taller and wider than the maximum shift knob that Hybrid Racing offers. This shift knob is heat resistant, which is a huge plus because I live out here in California where we get summer all year long. I do like the texture and the look of the shift knob. I can't wait to get this paired up with the Hybrid Racing short shifter. That would be a badass combo. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the 130R and the OEM shift knob. As you can see, two different types of design. The OEM one being just a ball style shifter, while the 130R has a teardrop style to it. The 130R is a little bit lighter than the OEM shift knob, but it does feel better in the hand. I think I would prefer the 130R over the OEM one. The 130R has more surface area for you to grab hold onto, so I think that will make for a better experience in shifting gears. Alright, so I have the 130R installed on the OEM shifter. I just want to drive this around for a couple of days just to get a feel of how much of a difference a shift knob can make to the OEM shifter before I install it on the hybrid short shifter. Oh yeah, it does feel a lot different. I think shifting wise, the 130R is relatively the same. I think it's just the transitions between gears. I think that has changed a lot, and the 130R does feel a lot more predictable, and it feels a lot more satisfying to go into gears. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in all the way to the end. If you guys enjoyed the video, you guys already know what to do. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I do have the hybrid short shifter coming out in a couple days, so stay tuned for that video. And guys, we're almost at 1K subs. To my subscribers, to my watchers, commenters, likers, dislikers, sharers, all of you guys, I just want to thank all you guys from the bottom of my heart. But until then guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one, and remember to always stay lurking. Peace.